Full time here at Aberystwyth is Aberystwyth 1, Bala Town. Here with manager Neville Powell. Nev, an entertaining game but the wrong result. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, definitely. That's what sums it up, Matt. I think entertaining game, chances at both ends. Good physical game. Unfortunately, we come out of the game with nothing. So lads are desperately disappointed because, as you say, it was a good entertaining game and it was a good physical battle. We knew what to expect with them, with the long balls into the box up to Les, and we got caught twice second half, which was a shame. And they've scored their goals, but the lads kept going, and we've had chances ourselves. As I say, we've hit the bar a couple of times and had a couple cleared off the line. So desperately disappointed. So we'll move on to next week now. That'll be another big game against Newtown.
There's some cracking individual performances tonight. Chris Madlock in particular in goal. How pleasing to see those players play.
Yeah, Chris had a great game. He had to, didn't he? Against them. He saved a penalty as well, so he's kept us in it, to be fair. And there were some good performances. We've created chances, and it's just a pity we've got nothing out of the game. But fair play to Bala, they've come in, done the job, and they go on with the 3 points.
And performances continue to improve, and the players are all clapped off this evening. It must be pleasing for you as a manager.
Yeah, well, obviously it's a results business, Matt, and as you said, I'd rather have the 3 points and maybe not play so good. But you can see how far we've come. We're still getting there, and you look at the last 2 games, Bangor away and Bala here. We should have got possibly something out both games, and we haven't. So we can't be too despondent about it. We'll work hard in training on Tuesday, and as you say, we've got a big game here now against Newtown next week, and I'm sure the lads will be focused for it.
Nev, thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
All right, mate.